Welcome back, gaming enthusiasts, to UK Pro Reviewer, where we dive deep into the latest tech and gaming gear. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the Corsair K70 RGB Pro wired mechanical gaming keyboard. It's time to elevate your gaming experience to the next level. Let's jump right in. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro is here, and it's here to stay. This gaming keyboard not only retains the iconic features of its award-winning predecessor but takes it up a notch with some incredible upgrades. Let's explore what makes this keyboard a true legend in the gaming world. First things first, the build quality. The K70 RGB Pro sports a durable aluminum frame that not only looks sleek but can handle the toughest gaming sessions. It's built to last and endure the intensity of competitive gaming. Now, what sets this keyboard apart is the power under the hood. It's powered by Corsair's Axon hyper-processing technology. What does that mean for you? It means your keyboard is processing and transmitting your inputs up to 8 times faster than conventional gaming keyboards. Say goodbye to input lag and hello to lightning-fast response times. Gamers, get ready to meet your new favorite keys, the Cherry MX RGB red mechanical key switches. These switches offer a linear travel with a silky smooth key press that's a dream come true for performance gamers. What's more, they're guaranteed for a whopping 100 million keystrokes. That's the kind of reliability you need in the heat of battle. Let's talk about the keycaps. The K70 RGB Pro features polycarbonate keycaps with a standard bottom row layout. Why does this matter? It means you can easily customize your keyboard with different keycap sets to match your style. It's all about personalization. Are you a competitive gamer? Then you'll appreciate the tournament switch on this keyboard. Flip it, and you'll instantly focus on the game with distraction-free static backlighting. No more accidental macro activations. It's all about giving you the edge in those crucial moments. But the customization doesn't stop there. The K70 RGB Pro comes with powerful IQ software that works on both PC and macOS. With it, you can program custom macros, remap keys, and fine-tune your keyboard to your heart's content. Plus, dedicated media keys and an aluminum multifunction volume roller give you convenient control over your media while you game. Worried about losing your settings? Don't be. This keyboard has onboard storage for up to 50 profiles, ensuring your preferences are always at your fingertips. And when it's time to hit the road, the detachable USB Type-C cable makes it easy to take your K70 RGB Pro with you. And there you have it, folks, a closer look at the Corsair K70 RGB Pro wired mechanical gaming keyboard. If you want a gaming keyboard that combines iconic design, lightning-fast performance, and unmatched customization options, this is the one. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell. Are you excited about the Corsair K70 RGB Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to UK Pro Reviewer, your source for the latest in gaming tech. Until next time, keep gaming like a pro.